Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve one of my favorite go-to looks, which is my wash and go. For today's wash and go, I'm going to be using the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. I actually received this in my curl box, so I want to give it a try and see if it's going to work like I want it to. So I started off on section hair utilizing the LCO method, which is liquid, cream, and then oil. So the liquid would then the water base, then the cream is the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream, followed by the Jamaican Black Mango Lime Castor Oil, and then using some Eco Styler Gel to give that extra curl definition. Here you will see me using the raking method where I'm taking the hair and literally just raking my fingers through it to allow the curl definition to really pop. And I do this across each section. Smaller sections make it even more defined. I like to finger detangle as well as use a Denman brush to make sure that I'm easily able to maneuver my fingers through, as well as being able to have the brush to make sure all those detangles are completely out. Curl check, cha-ching! And now I'm just showing out because I'm feeling the product and how it's working. So once I've mastered the first section, then I move on to the next section using the same method, which is going to be the LCO, liquid being that water base / leave-in conditioner, that coconut curling cream follows by Cantu, then Jamaican Black Mango and Lime Castor Oil, and then being able to finger detangle with some Eco Styler Gel to seal in those curls. First impressions of the coconut curling cream is that it is thick but not too heavy, which I really enjoy when having a wash and go because I like that creamy feel so that my curls are soft, but I want to be heavy and weighing it down where it has no bounce to it. So you see it, you get a rhythm, and then bam. But y'all thought I was gonna waste that. Not at all.
I like it like that. She working that back. I don't know how to act. Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Moving slow motion for me.
At this point, I'm just prepping the style to try to figure out how exactly I want it to lay. So this is at your own discretion if you want a side part, if you want the hair to come to the front, however it may be. Utilizing the Cantu brush, I am taking the tip of it to actually slay these edges. So my first time utilizing the Coconut Curling Cream by Cantu, and I really like the results. The hair is lightweight, yet still defined. Smells amazing. You can really see the texture definition. Thank you my gems for tuning in to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you can get notifications when new videos become available. Until next time, ta-ta!